friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to talk about the touch sampling rate on the OnePlus Nord device after recent software update. Yes friends, just a couple of days back I did receive the software update, which is December Security Patch update. Let's see what is the touch sampling rate after this update in the OnePlus Nord 2. And one quick note, this video is recorded using the Realme X1 Max device using 1080 and 30 fps. This entire video only using Realme X1 Max device. So I did upload a couple of other videos as well using OnePlus Nord 2 and other phones. So make sure to stay tuned friends for more upcoming videos, which I'll try to use only these smartphones to record my videos. So which will give the clear idea what's going on with their camera capabilities as well. So right now let me show you what is the refresh rate I did enable at this moment. And I did enable the refresh rate of high refresh rate 90 Hz, as you can clearly see here. And now let me demonstrate the touch sampling rate by opening the application which I used to test every time. And right now I did enable the gain space. Gain space also I did add into the game. Right now you can see the value which is showing about 210 value, which you can clearly see friends, 210 value it's showing. As you can see, 210 only we are getting. So which means the phone has got only 120 Hz touch sampling rate. 210 minus 90 you will be getting the 120 Hz touch sampling rate. Even if you increase the touch sensitivity as well, let me to increase the touch sensitivity. Let's go back, and still it's kind of pretty same. The value is not changing. As you can see friends, even using high performance mode, even using game everything, still the value is only 210. So always whatever the value you are getting, you need to do the minus with the refresh rate, which gives you the clear touch sampling rate in this device. So overall friends, the touch sampling rate did not change in this device. It was kind of very similar to before as well. So definitely you will be experiencing kind of less touch sampling rate when compared with other smartphones in this kind of price range. So in this price, for 30,000 rupees, we'll be expecting 300 Hz touch sampling rate, 300, 360 Hz, 480 and 600 Hz touch sampling rate, 576 Hz touch sampling rate. A lot of other companies, they are improving, but still OnePlus Nord 2 did a lot of cost cutting in terms of the display segment. As you can see, even the touch sampling rate. And for example, even the phone which has got about, I think, close to 13,000 rupees, Infinix Note 11s, this phone has got more touch sampling rate this OnePlus or Nord 2 device. So this phone has got 180 Hz touch sampling rate. As you can see friends, you're getting 300 Hz. Even without gain space as well, you'll be getting the higher value. You're getting 320 and 300 as well, somewhere around that always, as you can see clearly. So this is a quick test friends on the OnePlus Nord 2 after the recent software update. So overall touch sampling rate is not improved, not increased, nothing much. So definitely you will feel some kind of problem while playing the games a little bit. It's not a huge impact, but just a little bit. At least they're going to provide the 120 Hz refresh rate. That's maybe the next time they'll do it, OnePlus Nord 3 maybe. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off until then. Bye.